Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 10th, and this is my morning analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the euro made a very strong move to the downside yesterday, and it still, to me, looks like a wave A, wave B, wave C to the downside. Now, this move right here was definitely driven by the tariff news yesterday. Something about it kind of throws me off a little bit. I mean, I'm kind of thinking this move down is actually just caused by the tariff news, and maybe this is actually now just going to keep on going up, and this really is a wave 5, and this is a wave 3, and this is actually a wave 4. So keep an eye out for this, especially with how strong it looks like it's trying to move up right now. I mean, to me, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here because if it does bounce from a fib level and start to push down, I still think there's a good chance it could turn into like a 1, 2, 3 and go down. But something about this pattern just makes me think that maybe it's just going to keep on going up for wave 5. So be very, very careful. A lot of these big moves that we've been getting are news-driven moves. And a lot of times, these news-driven moves, you get a big, giant move and then once the news is over, a little bit of time goes by. A lot of times it just starts reversing way back in the other direction, going all the way back up to the starting line before the news even dropped. So definitely keep an eye out for that, but also keep an eye on your fib levels because if it does make a nice engulfing move down at a fib level, it probably would make for a really nice short. And I still think it looks like a wave A wave B, and then possibly going down for a big old wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.